How to use Canva offline. If you would like to use Canva offline, remember that we cannot completely use and have all the designs that we want for offline because Canva is a web-based application. It works bringing out all the data from the websites and its interfaces. However, let's say that sometimes you have a presentation right here, which if I want to present it to my classmates or anyone, I'm not connected to the internet. So what do I do if I want to go ahead and then present this? Well, to present it, just click on the three dots option next to that particular presentation or a design, and there you'll find the option called Enable Offline Presenting. So when you click on that option, the design will get downloaded offline over here, and it will sync all of the offline files, and whenever you want to present it, even if you're not online, you'll be able to present this particular presentation. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.